9 Woodland here in Miller Place, a beautiful community, a house with a sad story behind it, but a house that truly has gone into disrepair. I walked around the house, I went into the house. It is one of the worst houses we've experienced in our efforts to clean up neighborhoods through Brookhaven Town. I'm joined by Councilwoman Jane Bonner, who's here today, who has spoke to all of the neighbors and residents, and I'm going to turn the microphone over to her.
Thank you, Supervisor. Well, the day has finally come for 9 Woodland to come down, and boy, has this been a long, arduous journey. The neighbors have had to deal with a lot with this house, with what started as a beautiful home, fully accessorized with beautiful decorations by the dad who wanted to honor and make a beautiful home for his ill daughter. Just went awry over the years, and the neighbors had to suffer through such degradation. But we've been here dealing with the neighbors and dealing with all the issues in this house, and it's coming down today. I want to thank our law department, our building department, Building Inspector Trejo, who's been here every day dealing with the neighbors and the police and all the issues surrounding this house. It's a sad day, but it's a good day for the community.
All right, and with that, we're going to commence the demolition, and this property will be cleaned up in a matter of days.